Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you a feature in Octopus 3.0, which is to add tasks to types of service requests. So once we get into service requests, we see the different types that we can have. So I'm going to add a new one. Since I will be using the example of creating a new user, the first task will be to create his network account. Second task will be to configure the voicemail. Third one could be his Exchange account. So we can go on and on. You can add as many tasks as you would like. Alright, so as you can see, we have several fields in the task. First one is a due date. You can either put a fixed date or you can put the number of days that you would like the task to be completed in. As for my example, I will be using only 1 day. I will be putting 1 day for all of my tasks. The way it works for fixed date, you will be using that field only if you wanted to have the original type completed in a certain amount of days. There's also the field called active, which is basically once you create your type, once you use that type of new service request, all of the tasks that have the active field checked will be activated right away. As an example, I could be asking for the network account to be active as soon as I create my service request, and I could also ask for the configure voicemail to be active as well as soon as my Octopus user would create that ticket with the type of service request. I can also assign my tasks to different departments. So as for my adding network account, I obviously would be putting it to technical support group. As for the configure voicemail task, I could be setting it to the service desk or my telephony department, depending on how you are configured on your end. So I could do this for all of the tasks. All of the groups will be advised once their tasks become active, so they know when they have to start working on their tasks. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to create a new service request. Selecting the new type that I just created. And now if we go take a look at the tab called Tasks, we can see in the edit view that all my tasks have been added. I can also see that the two first ones are already active. So my adding network account and configure voicemail are already active as I had selected before. And once these tasks will be completed, then the system will switch to the other ones. We can also create a dependency on the tasks, which means before configuring my Exchange account, I obviously want to have my network account to be ready. So I'll go into the Exchange account field, dependencies, and I'll put number 1 since my adding network account is my task number 1. So what this will do is once your task called adding network account will be completed, then your Exchange account task will automatically be activated and the group assigned to that task will be advised as well. So this completes the training for adding tasks to types of service requests. Please keep in mind that the version that I'm using right now is a beta version, so it might look a little different on your end once we distribute the final version, but this should give you a good idea on how to use it. So this completes our training. Thank you. Have a great day.